Good morning, good afternoon and good evening everyone. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and the model that I have is the N900, which is having the Exynos chipset, and a few more models of Galaxy Note 3 were launched back in 2013, and most of it Note 3 is having the Snapdragon chipset, and I am going to flash unofficial custom ROM, that is the stock Android Mallow 6.0.1. Right now I am having the stock Android Lollipop. That was the last release for the Galaxy Note 3 for all variant, and there is no more stock update for the Galaxy Note 3. So it's mean that no more stock official update for the Galaxy Note 3, and we cannot officially update Galaxy Note 3 further to Marshmallow, but we can do that unofficially by flashing a custom ROM on it. As you can see that the Android version is 5.0 Galaxy Note 3, the model you can see that N900. So I will be flashing a custom ROM on my Galaxy Note 3, that is the DILSHAD custom ROM, and that is the most stable ROM for the N900, that is having the Exynos chipset. So let me remind you that do not flash this custom ROM on any other Note 3 that is having the Snapdragon chipset. So I am going to flash a custom recovery on my Note 3 first, and then will be flashing the custom ROM on my Note 3. But before starting the procedure, I want to mention few things here are that these are the precautions that you must check and take for the flashing. First of all, you must use the data cable, that is the good quality of data cable. Do not use the cheap quality of data cable for flashing and also for the charging. And number two, you must see and check that your Galaxy Note 3 battery should be charged around 80 to 90%. And the number three is the laptop or desktop. In case if you are using a laptop, then you must check that your battery should be charged and also connected with the power supply. And in case if you are using a desktop PC, then you must see that there is no interruption of the electricity power supply. Interruption may cause a damage during flashing. And the most important thing that if you having a data on your Galaxy Note 3, you must make a backup of your data, save it into your hard drive of your computer, or if you having the media memory card, you can transfer your data to the media card. And the other thing that go into the setting of the Galaxy Note 3, then go to the accounts. And if you having any account like a Google account or any Samsung account, go to your Google account and sync all your data before removing the Google account. So your account should be updated, and if you having like new contacts or any calendar entries will be get update to the Google Sync Manager. And if you having the Samsung account, remove it must, because if you did not remove your Samsung account, the flashing will not get completed and it will not let the custom recovery to be flashed on Galaxy Note 3. Well, you can see that I don't have any account right now on my Note 3, but if you go to the add account section, you can see that Samsung account is there, and this Samsung account is required for many things, like for using the themes section. If you want to download the Samsung themes, you must have the Samsung account. And after activating your Samsung account, it will also activate your Find My Device or maybe the reactivation lock. So basically the reactivation lock, if activated, it will not allow to flash the custom recovery on the bootloader. So your recovery will not get flash and your procedure will get stuck. That is why I am telling you that If you having the Samsung account, you can just deactivate it for a while, and after flashing the custom ROM, you can reactivate your Samsung account. These were the things, and one more thing that you must check is your Galaxy Note 3 must be original. Well, you must be known that the clone of Galaxy Note 3 were also launched back in 2013 and still may be there in the market. And many of the viewers do not know that they having the clone Note 3 or the Samsung original Note 3. So you have to check your Galaxy Note 3 device is original of Samsung. For that, you will have to go to boot into Odin mode to see that either your Note 3 is original or not. Power off your device first if it is power on. Then you will need to boot into Odin mode. For that, you will need to press and hold the volume down key and the home key. Both keys must be pressed and then power on the device. And soon you will see the warning screen. Release all the keys. Press the volume up key for once for continue, and your Odin screen will get appear on your screen. So if your Odin mode screen is like this, it means that you having the original Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now if you can see that the product name is product name is showing that N900, and the current binary is Samsung official, right? And the system status is also official because I am having the official Samsung Android stock Lollipop ROM, and my reactivation lock is off. If your device is reactivation lock showing on, then you must have to go back, boot back into stock ROM. You must be having the Lollipop ROM. If you having a KitKat, this custom ROM will not work, will not boot. So you must have the Lollipop ROM, stock Android Lollipop. And if you having the reactivation lock is on, then you will have to boot back into stock Android first. Go back to the account section, deactivate your Samsung account first, and you can go back, boot into Odin mode, and you will see that your reactivation lock will showing be off. So this reactivation lock is off, then the custom recovery will be flash easily. So this was the procedure of knowing that you have the original Samsung Galaxy Note 3 or not. And in case if you having any other screen and your set or maybe your clone device will not boot into Odin mode the way I just did, it's mean that you having a clone Note 3, and please do not try to flash this custom ROM on any clone of Galaxy Note 3. Now I just remove the battery and make my set to power off. Now I will be moving to my computer screen to show you that the software that is required to download for this procedure of flashing a custom ROM on the Galaxy Note 3 N900. First of all, you will be needing the Samsung USB driver to be installed on your Windows, whatever version of Windows you are using. Right now I am having the Windows 7 64-bit. Click on this green bar and the second option will appear. Click the primary download once again, and this file will start downloading. Make a new folder first and save all the files in that folder. The second file is the Odin 3.0.9. Download this file and save to that same folder. Same procedure of downloading. Click this green bar, the primary download bar will come, and click on it and file will be start downloading. The third file is the customer recovery file. The version is 3.0.2-0, and you can see this code is HA3G. It means that this custom recovery is only for the Galaxy Note 3 N900. Please do not try to flash this custom recovery on any Galaxy Note 3 that is having the Snapdragon. This custom recovery is only for the Exynos Galaxy Note 3. The fourth file is the custom ROM file, that is the Marshmallow. The name of the ROM is the DILSHAD ROM and version is version 10. The last file is the screen of memo file. This is an extension of APK. we will be needing this file to install after when we flash the custom ROM. When we boot and finishing everything, then we can install this file on our Galaxy Note 3 to have a off-screen memos for the S Pen to work on it when our screen is off. And after finishing downloading all the files, then go to that folder where all the files are saved. You can see that the custom recovery, screen off memo, Samsung USB driver for Windows, Odin 3.09, and the custom ROM DILSHAD ROM. So we will be starting the procedure by installing the Samsung USB driver on Windows, whatever version you are using. Mine Windows is Windows 7, the 64-bit. Double click on it and start installing the Samsung USB driver. After finishing the installation of a USB driver, now unzip the Odin 3.09. Then open the folder of Odin and open the Odin 3.09 by double clicking on it. And when Odin software open, now go to that AP folder. You can see that the version is 3.09 and this Odin 3.09 is must required. This version is only required for the custom recovery that I am going to flash on the N900, and that recovery version will be flashed by only this version. So remember, you have to use this version only. Now click the AP section and go to that folder where your all the files are saved, and you will see the custom recovery for the N900. Select the file and click the open, and your Odin, you will see that Odin is ready to flash the custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now moving to my Galaxy Note 3 device. Now my set is powered off and I will boot my Galaxy Note 3 and N900 into Odin mode to flash a custom recovery. For that, press and keep pressing the volume down key along the home key and power on the device. Soon the volume screen will appear. Release all the keys. Press the volume up key for once and your Odin mode screen will appear. Now your set is ready to be flashed and Odin is waiting. Now you will have to connect your cable, the small side of data cable, with the device that is called a Galaxy Note 3, and you must check that your other side of data cable must be connected with your laptop or desktop to the USB port. Connect the Galaxy Note 3, and if you have installed the Samsung USB driver already on your Windows will detect the Note 3 and will start installing the driver. And after connecting the device, you will see the Odin will show this 0.7. It means that device is detected by the Windows and also detected by the Odin. Now simply click the start and the custom recovery flashing will be started. And soon it will be done. You will see pass message. It means that the custom recovery is being flashed successfully. Disconnect the cable. We will connect the cable later. And your set is reboot. You will see Odin work done. Thank you, Odin. And I will go back to my folder, main folder, where I have all the files saved. Now my device is booted back into Android stock. Now connect the cable again, once again with the Note 3, and we will be copy the custom ROM on the internal storage. After connecting the Galaxy Note 3 with the Windows, the pop-up will come up. You can see that the internal storage of my Galaxy Note 3 is appear on my screen. This is the phone internal storage. Double click on it, open the storage, go back to that folder. I have the file here, and I am going to copy two files, that is the custom ROM and the screen of memo. Going back to my internal storage of Note 3, going to paste both files in my Galaxy Note 3 internal storage. Both file has been copied to my internal storage. Disconnect the cable from the device right now, and also the computer work done. Thank you, computer. Now moving to my device. First of all, I am going to power off the device. Now the second procedure is to flash the custom ROM that I just copied in my internal storage of the Galaxy Note 3. For that, we have to boot the Galaxy Note 3 into custom recovery mode. For that, the procedure is the same, but the keys are different. Only the volume up key is now being pressed. So volume up key, keep pressing it, hold it, press, then along with the home key, hold it, press, and power on the device, and soon you will see a Samsung logo. Release the only power key, do not release the other two keys, wait for it, and now after a few seconds release both keys, and soon you will see the custom recovery screen on your Galaxy Note 3. See the version, that 3.0.2-0, and now the procedure of the flashing will be starting soon. But before doing that, I want you to make a backup first. Go to the backup section, click on the backup, and select all these, the already selected option. Do not change anything, just swipe to start the backup. And when backing up of your stock ROM completed, then simply click the back option. Again, go back to the main screen now, and here just concentrate that the thing that I want you to do is now go to the advanced option, click advanced, go to the file manager, and scroll down. You will see the SD card, and here the internal storage. Now scroll down, and you can see that I already copied two files in my internal storage, and now I am going to delete few files and folder. Maybe they are not file, only the folder, and that is, first of all, face. Click on it, then click the right arrow key, the blue color, and then delete. Swipe to confirm. File is deleted. Go back. Same procedure for deleting the folders. S Pen. If you are not having this folder, it's okay. But the main important folder that I want to delete, must be deleted, is the Android folder. Android. Select the Android folder, then select this, click on the arrow, and then delete and confirm to swipe to confirm the delete. Go back. No more. It's okay now. The Android folder was the one that must be deleted. The way just I did that. Now go back to the main screen of the custom recovery. Now go to the wipe section, click on the wipe, and then click on the advanced wipe, and select the Delvic Art Cache. Then select the system partition, and then select the data partition. Leave the internal storage, select the cache, and swipe to wipe. Remember 1, 2, 3, that is the Delvic system data. Do not select the internal storage, then cache, and swipe to wipe. It will take a little time and it is done. Now go back to the main screen and then click the install option. Scroll down, you will see your internal storage. Scroll down and select the ROM now. You will see the DILSHAD ROM. Select it and swipe to confirm flash. And the flashing will be started, installing new system, etc, etc. It will take a little time. You have to wait and let the flashing to be completed. Now you can see that the flashing completed, and same thing will be done on your Galaxy Note 3. Now click simple the reboot system and let the set to be reboot. And the first boot will take quite a lot time now. So you have to wait, let the first boot complete and be patient. Well, I have to say sorry that I said it going to take around 15 to 16 minutes the first boot, but it does not take that long. Well, it takes around 6 minutes to complete the first boot. Now here you will see the Arabic language because the developer of this ROM is from Arabia. And go and select your language. Many language support in this ROM are supported in this ROM. English United States. I'm going to complete my setup screen now. Unfortunately, weather has stopped. It's okay. If this error comes, just click OK. Complete the setup screen. Here I want you to uncheck this diagnostic data. Well, you can see the ROM has been flashed successfully and the interface of the Note 3 is now changed. We have the option of the edge screen, and we can add many things to the edge screen. And if I go to the setting, to my menu, then go to settings, and you will see the interface of the setting is also get changed. I will go to my about device. Let me show you. And the Android version is now 6.0.1. The device name is got changed. It was Galaxy Note 3. Now it is showing Galaxy S6. This is the build number, that DILSHAD ROM, and baseband. The most important thing is the baseband. We have it. If you having unknown, it means that the flashing did not went well. Now everything is okay, and you can see that the ROM is flashed successfully. And I have already made a video of this ROM, and I have showed many things in that video, that the things that are working in this ROM. And this video is only for how to flash this DILSHAD ROM on the Exynos Galaxy Note 3. Well, a request was coming a lot on my comment section that how to flash this custom ROM on the Galaxy Note 3, the N900. And I was not getting a free time to make a video, so already did that, and I hope that you will get my steps and you will get this ROM on your Galaxy Note 3 and 900 if you want to have it. Thank you for watching, and if you think that this video is helpful, then give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe my channel also. Thank you once again. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.